Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Subaru Impreza windshield wipers. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades. You might also need a small flathead screwdriver. Park your car safely and turn off the engine. Then, gently lift both wiper arms away from the windshield until they stand upright. This gives you clear access to the old blades, making the next steps much easier and preventing any accidental damage to your windshield. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly, then slide the entire old wiper blade down and off the hook on the wiper arm. It should detach quite easily. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely so it doesn't accidentally snap back and hit your windshield. Do this for both sides. With the old blades off, it's time for the new ones. First, remove any plastic covers or protectors from your new wiper blades. Carefully slide the new blade onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it up until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's fastened properly. Then, simply repeat these steps for the other wiper arm, ensuring both new blades are firmly attached. Finally, gently lower both wiper arms back down onto your windshield. Turn on your car and activate the wipers, using your washer fluid to simulate rain. Watch them closely to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the water effectively without leaving any streaks. This quick test confirms your new wipers are installed correctly and ready to provide clear visibility, keeping you safe on the road. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.